What is up, guys? Welcome to Barrookie. Today I want to do a quick recap because we're at the last day of the year and I want to share with you what all got added to this home gym. And to be frank, every year I keep thinking we're not gonna add something to the home gym because we're pretty much complete, right? What could you more want? So yeah, turns out in this screen we already see a lot of new things. So let's go just briefly over them just to give you some reference. And yeah, then we're ready for the next year where we probably are not gonna buy anything. Who am I kidding? All right, so first out of camera, what we have is clubs. Boom, I got into clubbing, I like it. I already had a club of 10 kilograms, was way too heavy. This year we made a club ourselves, pretty lightweight to play around with. I also got a club from my buddy of 6 kilograms, so pretty freaking cool. Then we also got into rope flowing, and even though the rope flows are actually in the house, yeah, rope flow is part of gym life. So boom, this was added this year as well. Okay, now that we're here at the pegboard, we also changed up this pegboard. Boom! Awesome, from IKEA, nice and white, nicely blending into the walls. I think it's a big, nice upgrade. Let's continue. What is that? It's a Buster sword. Now, I got into clubbing, but I also wanted to play around with huge, big, epic things, and that is what this sucker is. So, pretty freaking cool if you ask me. Now, because we're into more unconventional stuff, I already had some sandbags laying around, but introducing Blobby Boy! It's a 100 kilogram sandbag. We only filled up to 60 kilograms. It's a freaking monstrosity. But it's cool, it's cool. There's only one thing that got added to the home gym, and it's probably the most epic thing, right? The most epic thing this year for this channel happened thanks to part you guys, but also thanks to NÜOBELLS, because they sent me their new NÜOBELLS. Boom. How awesome is that? They are epic. So I reviewed their first iteration, which were already pretty cool. You could switch up the weights pretty fast, but now with this, it's more robust. It switches the same rate, but it feels so much better. And yeah, really, thank you NÜOBELLS for providing them to me. I'm very thankful. So yeah, that is basically it. So I think it's not too bad. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. I hope you had a great and strong 2025. And yeah, we're just going to continue getting stronger, getting better, and hopefully I can see you in 2026. Paisa!